In this video, I'll show you how to secure your WordPress site. You need to configure Akismet to prevent comment spam. Log into your site, go to Plugins, install the plugins. By default, WordPress already has Akismet plugin installed. Click on Activate. Enter your Akismet key. Click on this link and you will be taken to Akismet website. Get an Akismet key. Sign up. Follow the registration process and you will be given a unique key. Done. Your Akismet subscription is now active. You should receive an email shortly with your API key and instructions on how to activate Akismet in WordPress. And then you need to enter your key in this field. Check these two boxes and update options. Next, I'll install the Bulletproof Security plugin. Go to Plugins. Add a new. Type in Bulletproof Security and search plugins. Click Install now. OK. And then activate the plugin. Go to BPS Security. Security modes. Check Bulletproof mode and activate. I received this message. Did you create your master htaccess files using the AutoMagic buttons? Did you back up your existing htaccess files? I'll click Cancel. Click on Create Default htaccess file. OK. Click on Create Secure.htaccess file. OK. Go to Backup and Restore. Check Backup.htaccess files and Backup files. Check Backup bpsmaster.htaccess files and Backup master files. Go to Security modes. Check Bulletproof mode and activate. I received this message. Did you create your master.htaccess files using the AutoMagic buttons? Did you back up your existing .htaccess files? This time I'll click OK. Again check bulletproof mode and activate. Check bulletproof mode and activate. And check bulletproof mode and activate. Go to security status. Everything is green now. I'll see you in the next video.